Let's make a Kool Aid pie. I've never had it. My friend sent me the recipe. So we're gonna try it and see what happens. You need to have a graham cracker pie crust, homemade or store-bought. Where I've been under the weather, I am going to do store-bought. You need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. You need a 3-ounce package of gelatin of your choice. I'm using sugar-free. And you need 8 ounces of Cool Whip. So let's get started. Again, this is called Kool Aid Pie. Excuse me. The more I talk, the more I cough. So let's get going. We're gonna put the Kool-Aid in. So if I don't talk too much, I apologize because I don't want to get coughing. Got my voice back, but I still got my nasty cough. Okay. Now, here's a condensed milk. Has anybody made this pie before? And if so, did you like it? Put that right in. Look at all the sugar. Condensed milk. And here I'm using sugar-free strawberry and fat-free Cool Whip. That's just what I'm using. You can use whatever you want, Cool Whip, whipping cream, whatever. And then once it's all made, you want to put it in the refrigerator for about 4 hours until it sets up. So we'll be trying this before we go to bed tonight, or I will be, or Ray will be, somebody will be. Oh, okay, so we're gonna mix this all up, just like this. Oh, it makes it a pretty color. Very pretty color. Looks like it mixes in very well too. Just like that. Looks like it's all mixed in. So then we're going to put 8 ounces of Cool Whip in. And I'm going to use about half of container. A little bit more to even it off. Looks good to me right there. Now we're going to mix this all in. And then once this sets up, I did buy some strawberries today. So once I get it all mixed up, I'll probably put a strawberry on top or something, but I'll show you that when I take it out of the refrigerator. Oh, my arm's tired. I'm still so weak from being sick. I haven't got my strength back yet. That looks like strawberry whip to me. Oh, yum, yum. I love strawberry whip. Okay, let's see if we got this all mixed in. I like my flat whip. It works so well. Okay, now we're gonna pour this in, just like this. I hope everybody's having a really good day. The sun's been out here off and on. We've had so much rain and bad weather. Oh, Lord. It's cold. It was 44 degrees last night. And as you well know, at 44, your furnace is going to turn on. I'm going to go out and do a little bit of mowing when I get done. And I'm putting an insulated jacket on. Okay, that's going to be all mixed up. I'll be able to get it out good here. Use this. Can't be wasting anything, the cost of everything today. But if you've had this or you've tried this, put in the comments below. Let me know what you think of it. Smells good. My old sniffer, it can smell good or bad. Oh, that looks good. That looks really good. So I think just before I get ready to serve it, I'll put a slice or two of strawberries on, maybe with a small dollop of Cool Whip. Now this will go in the refrigerator for about 4 hours, which means about 8 o'clock tonight. It's about going on 4 now. Then I'm gonna pop some chicken in the oven, and we're gonna have chicken, mashed potatoes, gravy, and I'm gonna have a vegetable, but Mr. R, he doesn't eat vegetables, so it will just be me. So here's your Kool Aid Pie right here, and that looks really yummy to me. So we're gonna put the cover on it like that, and I'm gonna put in the refrigerator for 4 hours. And I'll bring you back and we'll give it a taste. Folks, the strawberry jello pie is done. Look at that. Doesn't that look yummy? It's 8 o'clock at night. I'm tired. I was gonna let Ray do the review, but I decided to because I need to go to bed. I'm really tired. So I'm gonna cut it. I couldn't find my good server, but I do got one. Let's cut it and see how it's going to taste. You know, the first piece is always hard when you cut. And I only want a small piece because I'm not sure how it's going to sit with my stomach. Looks like maybe I could have let it set up just a little bit longer. But we will see. This is what it looks like. I was gonna put a slice of strawberry on top, but I've decided not to. There it is right there. It's very creamy. Oh, you can taste the graham cracker, the strawberry jello, and probably the Cool Whip. But it's very good. It's just condensed milk. It's a graham cracker crust, a small jello, and 8 ounces of Cool Whip or cream of your choice. So good. So there you have it, folks. Strawberry jello pie right there. Very good, very yummy. So if you like this video, please give me thumbs up so YouTube can recognize there's some action going on here at Maniac Grammys. And you never know what's going to be on my videos. Don't know what's going to be for tomorrow, but we'll see you tomorrow. God bless. Bye now.